Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Akhilan from AkhilanTech, and today I'm going to tell you about the WhatsApp red tick. Is it fake? Let's see that in this video. So let's get started. As you know, WhatsApp is used by most of the people, especially in Indian country. See, WhatsApp is a basic messenger app that you can communicate with other people. I think most of you guys know this definition. But present in WhatsApp, so much fake news is spreading a lot. And most of the people are believing these fake messages and they are thinking that it is true and they are following the same. But fake news is fake news. Recently, one more fake news came into the WhatsApp, that is about the red tick. Actually, what is this red tick? Basically, if you can see only single tick, that means the message has been sent. And if you see the double tick, it means that the message has been delivered. And if you see the blue ticks, that if the read receipt is on, that means the receiver had read the message. But what is this red tick? Before going into the red tick, now in the WhatsApp, a fake news has been spreading a lot. That is the 3 tick. Actually, the 3 tick means the government had taken a note on your message. Means the government is spying on your messages. And if there are 2 blue ticks and only 1 red tick, that means that the government can take action on your message at any time. And the 2 red ticks means that the government is screening your area. And the 3 red ticks means the government has initiated the action and will get a message from the court. Many people believe this all the words, but officially the Press Information Bureau, that is the PIB, confirmed that it is a fake message on Twitter. You can see the tweet on the screen right now. You can see the PIB had confirmed that it is a fake message. So these all the 2 red ticks and etc ticks are completely fake. And I recommend you to not spread these rumors and don't share these rumors with your friends or your family members, because the fake news will be spreading a lot and most of the people will be believing it. In this pandemic situation, WhatsApp also limited the forwarding messages to only 1 chat. So how the government can spy your messages and can initiate an action on your messages? It is completely fake. If you want to know which message is fake and which message is real, I will provide the Press Information Bureau fact check link in the description below. You can go and check it out there and you can know about the which message is fake and which message is real. And that's all from this video. If you find this video informative, hit that like button and share with friends as much as possible. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box below. I definitely answer your questions. Do subscribe my channel by clicking the AkhilanTech logo and clicking the subscribe button. This is Akhilan signing off. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers.